Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Fibonacci Retracement tool in TradingView. So TradingView is a free charting platform. I use it myself as well. However, if you want to use more features, then you have to upgrade to the Essential or the Plus plan. But that's if you're really serious. But most traders, they are good with the free plan. But okay, over here, how to use the Fibonacci Retracement tool in TradingView. So over here, you go to the left side and just find the Fibonacci Retracement tool. So over here, we see it. I click on that. And what do? Let's say that the price goes to the upside. We're in an uptrend. You click on the lowest point, right? And then you just select the highest point as well, which is here. And what you do basically is that price always goes down to a specific level, right? It doesn't keep going up for forever. So it always has to come down to a specific area. And most of the time it's about a 0.5 or a 0.61 area. So let's see. In this case, so price, it was the highest point, it was the lowest point. Price went down. So this is the 50 level, and over here we have the 0.61 level. Then we see that it touches that zone right over here, and then we see it rejects the zone nicely and it keeps going to the upside. Let me see what it should have done over here. We see that a bullish candle appears, right? Once it has reached the zone, the 0.5 and the 0.61 level, the zone, we see a bullish candle to the upside. And then of course, let me see, we do a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio trade, which is about here. And then let me see what will happen. Okay, finally it has reached the target, right? So that's basically how you use the Fibonacci Retracement tool. You just select the lowest point, which is here, and the highest point, and then it always has to come down to a retracement of the 50% zone or the 61.8 zone, about that, which is called the golden zone. And then we see that a bullish engulfing candle, for example, or another bullish candle, or maybe 2 or 3 bullish candles start to appear, and from that moment we can take the buy. And of course we can also use the retracement tool for specific targets. So in this case I target the 0.236 level, but you can also use it here, or use this level, right? Okay, let me see how that go. Okay, so eventually it went to the upside, right? And it reached the target. So that's it basically. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.